Welcome back to another video from John Cleese Car Audio. Today I'm sat in the Mazda MX-5 Mk3 and we've upgraded the speakers in this car but also upgraded the head unit. So if I spin around my camera, I'm going to turn the stereo on in the same moment. Now look at that, what a beautiful splash screen. That was actually selected by and chosen by the customer, and he wanted us to get this onto his head unit. We told him we put splash screens on head units, and you know, if you don't want the Mazda logo, we'll put whatever you want, and that was his choice of splash screen. As you can see, when you jump in the car, turn the ignition on, Apple CarPlay will kick in straight away. Obviously Apple CarPlay, if you haven't heard of it, it's a much nicer way of using your phone for calls, music, mapping. You got apps like Apple Maps, go to your work, home, all usual places that are saved. The messages, you can use your voice to reply to messages, which is nice. You obviously got apps for DAB. Tidal is my preferred music app choice, that's where I have all my playlists and all my recents and stuff like that. So you can scroll through your music, pick a song, bit of album artwork. It looks very pretty. Flick back to your navigation and have your navigation on the go. Obviously you've got Waze as well, Google Maps in terms of Navi options. So that's Apple CarPlay. Obviously we've got Android Auto as well. It all works wirelessly from the phone. As you can see, my phone is down here. All the speakers are behind the scenes. We've actually put 2-inch mids in here and 8-inch woofers in the doors. They were below the ones that were in here before. It's made a great difference to sound. Obviously real great sound in this car, especially just running off the head unit and the factory Bose amplifier. That is basically the Apple CarPlay side of things. If I press the home button, this is what Kenwood home screen looks like. You've got volume controls here, or obviously from the steering wheel as well, and skipping tracks too, which you can just flick forward and backwards using those. DAB radio if you want to listen to any DAB. We've got a little antenna on the side of the window, which is what that is, just over there in the corner. And this is where you choose all your DAB. You can save up to about 15 presets. Press this magnifying glass to search them. And you've got all your stations that will come up in here. You can page up and down with these arrows or straight to the bottom of the list with that arrow. But yeah, that is a very brief run around the head unit. It's got a 3-year warranty at the moment when fitted by us, a Kenwood Premier dealer. And yeah, it's a great head unit. A lot of people like these bar along the bottom. It's a bit nice for adjusting volume, things like that. You've got volume, attenuation, which means mute. Home, which takes you back to this screen. Menu, different various buttons. CarPlay switching button, cam button if you had a front camera added to it. We haven't got any cameras added to it anyway on this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a Mazda Mk3. It's got a new Kenwood in here now. And this is John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. If you've got a car that you want Apple CarPlay for, just get in contact with us and we can get a solution sorted for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.